Replenish the shine and clarity your headlights once had with this simple yet effective solution. For step 1, you will be prepping the headlight for a clear coat by removing all the oxidized plastic on your headlight. To do this, you will need a microfiber towel, a bottle of water, 400, 800, and 2500 grit sandpaper. You can use a sanding block with a sponge underneath to make sanding easier, but doing this by hand is just as viable and allows you to get in the grooves of the headlight assembly. To start off, apply water to your headlight and 400 grit sandpaper until everything is soaking wet. Then start scrubbing the oxidization off the headlight in a circular motion for a solid minute or two. After you have done that, apply more water as needed to keep the headlight soaked, then scrub in a horizontal motion for another minute or so. Repeat this process for the 800 grit and 2500 grit, ensuring that you keep the headlight soaked for adequate lubrication. After you are satisfied with the amount of oxidization you have taken off, you can take your microfiber towel and dry the headlight and surrounding areas off completely. Do not worry about it looking foggy, as the clear coat will restore the clarity. Try to avoid touching the headlight to keep oils from contaminating the surface. Use rubbing alcohol to remove any oils. For step 2, you will need masking tape, a plastic bag, and UV resistant clear coat. Start off by taping the perimeter of the headlight assembly and attaching the plastic bag to the tape to prevent overspray. Turn your high beams on to accelerate the removal of unwanted humidity and increase the speed of which the clear coat will dry. Shake up your clear coat bottle and spray light even coats in a horizontal motion like this. Wait around 3 to 5 minutes with high beams on, then repeat the process, shake, spray, dry. Do this 3 times for a smooth, even finish. When the clear coat is completely dry, remove the tape and throw it away. Follow up with some wax to protect the headlight from dust and debris, which I will showcase in my next video.